Alright people, RC boy here. So I just washed my hair and that. Right, it's Quest of Speed. Quest of Speed. I want to get 100. At the moment the fastest I've got is 77 mile an hour. So I think I burnt out this 2500 kV censored hobby wing motor, but simply because it's a 4S motor, it's not 6S. So you know, things we do. I needed to get speed, I needed more top end. Yeah, so now that motor's done, it can't find the poles. Unless you turn the wheels, it won't turn. So you have to kick it, you know, like to get it going. So, power package. You've got to get the power package if you're serious. Alright, new battery. Graphene 8.0. I've never used one. I've heard good raves about it, so we're going to check that bad boy out. Let's stick that right there so you can see that. That's that Turnigy, and I've got to be honest, mate. I've got two Turnigy high voltage Lipo batteries, 9.5s for my monster truck, but I used them in my rally cart. They puffed up. I didn't even have them like 3 months. I throw them away. Stuff happens. So now I'm going for these ones here. I think it's a hard pack. I don't really like soft packs. I hope this won't pack up and it'll last longer. And to go with that and get rid of that motor, I have got, if you can see that, Relalo 2050 kV 4278 censored. Oh man, fits straight in there. I should be able to get the powers I need with less heat, but just in case that's not the case, because can you see the pinion? Look at the size of that pinion. You can see that pinion, look, the size of that, massive. I think it's 24 teeth. Not as big as you can get, but as big as I've ever been. Right, so we've got the motor here. Just to make sure the motor doesn't overheat, we've actually gone all in, lads. And we've got the Racing twin cooling system for the motor. It fits all the way round, comes with the double fans. They are powerful because I use them on everything. Obviously there's better ones, but you know, if it works, why change it, man? And this should keep me nice, and it's blue. Lucky, isn't it? Look, it matches the car colour code. So hopefully I'll get all of this in. And we'll be out today, and hopefully we can reach, on 77, we can at least get 80. If we can't get 80, the car breaks, at least we had fun doing it. You know what I mean? But until then, RC boy, signing off. Motor's in, heatsinks in, heatsink fit really nice, fans fit on beautiful. Rewiring went in nice, that's a bit, you know what I mean? I might have to put something down on that, I don't like it hanging around like that. But other than that, everything's ready. Pinions in. So today we are going to blast. Hopefully we hit 80 plus without wrecking the car. Do you know what I mean? Alright people, until I see you out on set, new location or old location, RC boy out. Oh no, look at that. Nearly took my car out. Look at that bad boy. Boy, had to get out the car real quick. Everything looks good though. Yeah. It's your Lipo batteries, man. You be careful with it. Just imagine if that was in your house.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?